Our begonia already has a bloom. It's red. So the first of the blooms. So they are bigger, but only one has bloom right now. Non-stop pink begonia. This one has no bloom yet, but it's big. No buds yet. Okay. Hello, just an update on the rose begonia that I got from Costco, which I planted, I don't remember, maybe in June, early June. So now it's yellow and red. So we have blooms now. This is the red one, and this is the yellow one. So that's one pot. This one, we also have blooms, yellow, that they start uh, in the center. So you cannot see it at the start. This one, I don't know if the other one has. So there are 3 plants in here. So only the yellow one has a bloom. And these ones are still growing. And this one, the non-stop pink tuberous begonia, which I got last year, it has flowers inside there. So it starts in the center or under. So when it grows, the flower grows, then you'll see the flowers. Oops, sorry. There. They start at the bottom. Okay. It's from the Petiti. This one. No blooms yet. No buds yet. It's just growing. Oh, there. Yellow. Yellow flowers. Yellow buds. This one. Not yet. So there. That's the update on my begonias. And this one from Petiti. It's a little bit looking tired. Also this one, but at least they still have flowers. I still have the deadhead. This one is the pink and white. Okay. Update on our begonia. Look at this. I'm just so happy. There is flower. It has bloom. It looks like a rose. Our rose begonia. So this is the one that we bought from Costco, I think last May, and I forgot when I planted this, but there's our first bloom. Looks like a rose. There's another one there, and then the yellow also is starting to bloom. And I have a bigger one here. It's facing down there. So nice. And then the non-stop pink tuberous begonia, which looks like this. I have blooms underneath. It's forming. So I can't wait. Can't wait for them to bloom some more. And then this one's from Petite. I have to clean up and cut off the dried ones. Remove the dried flowers. And this one is also starting to bloom. It has a bud there underneath. And this one also has yellow blooms. So I will take a video again once they are all in full bloom. Just so happy with the flowers. Okay. Really looks like a rose. So here are our three Rieger begonias or Riger begonias, the orange, red, and pink and white. So we bought them from Petiti last May, I think, and they were so pretty. But right now they're looking tired, so it's better for us to groom, remove the dried flowers and stems, so it will look a little bit better. So let's start cutting so it will look better. So I've already finished grooming the three begonias, and look what I took out. So here's the orange one, Rigger begonia, and this is the carnival. So it's orange, and so still has lots of blooms, and then new ones growing, new leaves are growing, and then there are buds. So I don't know if I'm supposed to cut these or just leave them there. But they look nice, so I'll just leave them. So that's the orange one. And look underneath. There are new leaves forming and new flowers forming. So that's the orange one. And then the red. So looks like a little rose. So nice and so red. But the leaves are a bit yellow. Not sure. Is it overwatering? But I cleaned it up and there are new leaves forming there. New leaves. And this one, flowers. They're getting leggy. I don't know if I should cut them. Should I? Or just leave them be? Because there are new buds here. And it still looks so pretty. So I'll just leave them like that. New leaves there. And there are more flowers underneath. So this one is also Rigor begonia. It's the vermilion red. Vermilion red. And the last one is this pink one. It has no flowers, just these ones. I don't know what these are called, but they are forming new leaves there. And there's a new bud underneath there. So there's a leaf, new leaves and a new bud. So this one is also Rigor begonia, the glory bicolor. And this is what the flowers look like. Okay, so I put them back in the front deck. And I also groomed the wax begonia. I removed the dead flowers so it'll look a bit nicer. And also I trimmed the petunias. So they say at this time you can cut them and they will grow back in about 2 weeks. But I didn't want to get the blooms. I didn't want to cut the blooms, so I just cut those plants that didn't have any bloom, and then I will cut them eventually. But so this one, I cut some of them, but I preserved some of the blooms. This one I also cut. So let's see after 2 weeks if they grow more lush or grow more flowers after 2 weeks. Okay. And I was just looking at this, my hellebore. This one, I'm thinking, I don't know if it's a weed or not, but I'm observing if this is a baby hellebore or just a weed, because I've seen in some of the videos that they do get babies from their hellebores. Okay, that's it for now.